moving into our consciousness requirement validation with this conditional statement here, we see if consciousness factor is less than method, we've got our bracket and consciousness requirement inside of that, and then of course the colon that comes at the end of every if line. We're demonstrating dictionary conditionals here, using dictionary bracket access directly in if statement conditions, creating clean direct conditional logic that compares stored data values. The consciousness factor is a variable containing the entity's consciousness level, let's say 0.5. Method consciousness requirement accesses the minimum consciousness requirement stored in our communication method dictionary. For mathematical communication, this might be 0.3. The less than operator compares these values. 0.5 less than 0.3 evaluates to false. This creates data-driven conditional logic where the comparison threshold comes from your data rather than being hard-coded. So we're making your conditions flexible and configurable. Different communication methods have different consciousness requirements. Mathematical communication needs 0.3 while consciousness resonance needs 0.8. The dictionary access automatically uses the appropriate threshold for the selected method. This way we're achieving dynamic comparison values from structured data, and we can adjust thresholds by modifying data rather than changing code.